How to open a Morgan Stanley bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account on Morgan Stanley. So to do that, first of all, go to the Morgan Stanley Bank website and then simply tap on the option open an account. Now once you've done that, simply choose the account type you'd like to open. So it can be a savings account, cash management account, certificate of deposit, or a joint account. Now whichever one you choose, simply enter the details such as your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, email address, and your phone number. Then you'll have to verify your identity, so you can choose any one of these three over here. So you can either upload a photo ID such as your driver's license, state ID, or passport. You can answer security questions, or you can also verify with other banks. Now tap on the option continue, and then you'll have to add an account funding. So it can be an external bank account, wire transfer, or a check deposit. Now once you've done all of those, once you submit application, you will have successfully opened a bank account on Morgan Stanley. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.